Why every rider needs the Sena SMH10. Epic Bluetooth intercom or overhyped gadget? Ride and decide. You know that feeling, stuck on the road, struggling to hear your crew, fumbling with complicated gadgets, or worse, losing focus while riding because your old headset just can't keep up? It's frustrating, right? That constant noise, missed calls, or having to shout into the wind makes you want to pull over and give up. Time wasted, energy drained, motivation dropping faster than your favorite speed limit. Riding should be about freedom, not tech headaches. If you've been ghosted by unreliable motorcycle communication gear, it's time to rethink your ride. Now imagine this headache on a killer group ride, or, worse, when you really need to make a call, share directions, or jam to your playlist. Crushing deadlines, missed meetups, or worse, dangerous distractions pile up like traffic cones in your mental lane. Stress creeps in, burnout lurks, and that epic ride just turns into a frustrating "where's my gear that works" saga. Every rider's nightmare, right? Without clear, reliable comms, you risk not just missing out but losing that smooth, connected vibe every biker craves. Enter the Sena SMH10D-11, your new ride-or-die Bluetooth intercom that's about to change your game forever. Crystal clear sound? Check. Advanced noise control cutting wind and road noise? Double check. This bad boy stretches your communication range to nearly 1,000 meters, so your crew stays locked in no matter how far you roam. Intuitive jog dial control means zero fumbling, just seamless conversation and music sharing. Whether you're riding solo or rolling deep, the SMH10 gives you instant relief and a productivity boost. No more distractions, just pure, unfiltered ride focus. With the SMH10, you get ultra-simple operation, wireless freedom via Bluetooth 3.0, and universal compatibility. Talk to any brand, anytime. It's built tough for all weather and noise conditions, boasting up to 12 hours of talk time, so no mid-ride battery drama. Plus, that universal microphone kit fits just right, delivering crystal-clear voice for calls and intercom. Imagine slicing through the noise, staying in sync with your squad, and enjoying music on the fly, all with a sleek, compact headset designed for riders who want more. Curious yet? Dive deeper and discover why thousands of riders swear by Sena. Don't let another ride suffer with lousy comms. Act now and join thousands of satisfied riders who've upgraded to Sena's SMH10D-11. Supplies move fast. This isn't your average Bluetooth headset, it's a rider's revolution. Whether you crave safer rides, clearer calls, or killer jams on the road, this is your shot to win. Hit that link, grab yours, and get ready to transform every ride from chaos to crystal clear connection. Your crew is waiting, don't leave them hanging.